Hey everyone, if Notion isn't saving your changes or updates keep disappearing, don't worry. This guide will walk you through how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Notion relies on cloud syncing, so if your connection drops or is unstable, your changes may not be saved properly. Next, refresh the page or restart the app. Sometimes a quick reload helps Notion sync your changes and updates correctly. Make sure you're logged in with the correct account. If you're using multiple accounts, it's possible your changes are being saved to the wrong one, which can be confusing. After that, try clearing your browser or app cache. Corrupted cache files can block syncing and prevent changes from being saved, so clearing them can often solve the problem. Also check if Notion servers are having issues. If there's a temporary outage or delay, your changes may not sync until the servers are back online. Finally, make sure your Notion app is updated. The latest version usually includes fixes for bugs related to saving and syncing. And yeah, that's it. That's how you fix Notion when it's not saving changes and get everything syncing correctly across your devices. Hey everyone, if